Now I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what each color means for the LED status indicator. A solid green LED means that the alarm is disarmed. A solid orange LED means that it's armed in away mode with no delay. An orange LED flashing slowly means that it's armed in away mode with delay. An orange LED that blinks twice every 6 seconds means that it's armed in home mode without delay. A green LED flashing quickly means that the Wi-Fi configuration is in smart mode. A green LED flashing slowly means that the Wi-Fi configuration is in AP mode. A red LED flashing slowly means that the alarm's been triggered with an entry delay. A red LED flashing quickly means that the alarm's been triggered with no delay by either one of your sensors or by pressing the SOS button. Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at OSIGoDirect.com or Amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.